Namaste. Welcome back to the tutorial series of Nrityasaara. Hope that you've practiced your Nattadavu and got it clear. In today's episode, we'll be learning Nattadavu. See to it that you have opened up your flexes and your thighs so that you can do it easily. Some of you had doubts regarding the tala of Nattadavu. Please don't worry about it for now. For now, we'll concentrate on our basics and clearing them and doing it properly. We'll do the tala lecture in the later stage when all our basic adavus are clear. For Nattadavu, we'll first learn the footwork, then hands, and then we'll combine both of them together. So let's start. Now turn your feet out into V. Now get into Aramandi slowly. Now lift your leg and place it on the side with your heel and your toes pointing up to the ceiling. So see to it that while you sit, you don't shift your weight on the other leg. It's in the center and your Aramandi is still maintained on that leg. Also, get back into Aramandi. By lifting, lift your feet. See to it that your knees don't wobble and it stays over there. Now, feet. Tie. Yo. Ta. Ta. Tie. Ki. Ya. Ha. So this is your first step. Footwork of the first step. See to it that every time you lift your leg, it goes up and then you place your heel. And then again back up and then back. It is not a sliding movement. See to it that every time you lift your leg and then place it. Lift your hands up into Natyarambham. Now hold Pataka in your fingers. You'll fold your ring finger to the Pataka. Now this is my Pataka. I fold my ring finger. So this becomes your Pataka. In both hands, Pataka. Too high. Okay, we'll soften our elbows. Now this is the position for your Nattadavu. So while doing Taiyu, that is while keeping your leg out, you will flip your hand. Taiyu, ta, ta, tai, ki, ya, ha. See to it that it is not a wrist action, it is an action of your elbows. You don't do this. Okay, it's not this and it is Taiyu. Then from your elbows, ta, ta. Hope that it is clear. Now we will try and combine both of them together. We will do the first step of Nattadavu in all three speeds. Get into Aramandi. Hands up into Natyarambham. Left hand lower. Very good. Ki, ta, ta, ka, tai, yum. Ta, tai, ki, smile. Tai, yum. Ta, tai, ki, ta, ta, ka, tai, yum. Ta, tai, ki, ha, tai, yum. Ta, tai, ki, ta, ta, ka, tai, yum. Ta, tai, ki, tai, yum. Tai, ki, tai, yum. Ta, tai, ki, ha, tai, yum. Ta, tai, ki, stop. Now with your head movement, it goes tai, yum. So you look straight. You'll not go into a 45 or just eyes. Just the whole of your head goes. Don't move your body. Body straight. Head and then ta, ta. Center. Tai, ki, ya, ha. See to it that this line is maintained. You do 1 and set. 2 and set. You look at the tip of your finger and while flipping, you'll quickly turn back into the center. Now your second step is same like your first step. Just that you do twice on either side. We'll try it in all three speeds. Half sitting with your hands. Ki, ta, ta. Look straight. Tai, yum, ta, ta. Tai, ki, ya, ha. Left side. Tai, yum, ta, ta. Smile. Tai, ki, ta, ta, ka. Tai, yum, ta. Tai, ki, ya, ha. Tai, yum, ta. Tai, ki, ta, ta, ka. Tai, yum, ta. Tai, ki, ya, ha. Tai, yum. Sit nicely. Ya, ha. Tai, yum, ta. Tai, ki, ya, ha. Tai, yum, ta. Tai, ki, ya, ha. The third step is a continuation to the first step. So we do the first step and then we cross our right leg behind our left leg. We bang our left leg which is in front and then do the natta only for the right side. The right side completes there. Then the whole thing we do it same on the left side. We'll see how to do it. Get into Aramandi. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1 and bang. Left and bang. Cross your right leg behind. Okay. While crossing your right leg, see to it that your body posture is maintained and you don't tilt. Your body falls in the center and your knees are on the sides like this and your knees don't fall inside. Then bang your front leg ahead and then tai, ki, ya. Now the left side, tai, yum, ta, ta, tai, ki, ya, ha. Left cross and bang. Tai, ki, ya, ha. Please have patience for the third step. It is a little bit complicated. So it goes right, bang, left, bang. You'll cross your right behind, left, bang. Again, the crossed leg goes out and then bang. Same to the left, left, bang, right, bang, left cross, bang, left out and then bang. Please, please, please practice so that you don't get upset when you don't get it. You'll definitely get it in 2 to 3 days. Now the hand. Your hand goes tai, yum, tat, ta, tai, ki, ya, ha. Cross. Okay. While crossing, see to it again. Like I said, your body shouldn't go, your hands shouldn't move. It stays in the center and then bang and then 1 and 2. While crossing, your drishti is down and then while banging, it's up again, then again side and then center. This goes for your right and the same goes for your left. We'll try it in all 3 speeds now. Ki, ta, ta, ka, tai, yum, ta, ta, tai, ki, ya, ha. Cross, bang. Tai, ki, left side. Tai, yum, ta, ta. Tai, ki, ya, ha. Tai, yum, ta, ta. Tai, ki, ta, ta, ka. Tai, yum, ta, ta. Tai, ki, ya. Smile. Tai, yum, ta, ta. Tai, ki, ya, ha. Tai, yum, ta, ta. Tai, ki, ya, ha. Tai, yum, ta, ta. Tai, ki, ta, ta, ka. Tai, yum, ta, ta. Tai, ki, ya, ha. Tai, yum, ta, ta. Tai, ki, ya. Tai, yum, ta, ta. Tai, ki, ya. Tai, yum, ta, ta. Tai, ki, ya, ha. Stop. See to it that in the third speed, your body don't jump. It stays in half sitting. It is a little bit difficult, but definitely you'll get through it with practice. Now the fourth step. Fourth step is same like the third step, just that you repeat every step twice. So it goes right twice, that is tai yum tat tat, tai ki yaha, left twice, tai ki yaha, cross, bang, right and right again. Okay, so this is only for your right and the left, you'll repeat the same thing. Are we ready? We'll do it in all 3 speeds. Come on. Half sitting. Hands. Kitta. Smile. Tai. Yum. Ta. Ta. Tai. Ki. Sit more. Tai. Yum. Ta. Ta. Tai, ki, ya, ha. Cross, ha. Tai, kyum, ta, tai, ki. Left side begins. Tai, kyum, ta, ta, tai, ki, ya, ha. Tai, kyum, ta, ta, tai, ki, ya. Left cross. Tai, kyum, ta, ta, tai, ki, ya, ha. Tai, kyum, ta, ta, tai, ki, ta, ta, ka. Tai, kyum, ta, ta, tai, ki, ya, ha. Smile, ta, ta, tai, ki, ya, ha. Tai, kyum, ta, ta, tai, ki. Sit more, tai, kyum, ta, ta, tai, ki. Tai, kyum, ta, ta, tai, ki, ya, ha. Tai, kyum, ta, ta, tai, ki, ya, ha. Tai, kyum, ta, ta, tai, ki, ya, ha. Tai, kyum, ta, ta. Third speed. Tai, kyum, ta, ta, tai, ki, ya, ha. Tai, kyum, ta, ta, tai, ki, ya. Cross back, sit. Tai, kyum, ta, ta, tai, ki, left side. Tai, kyum, ta, ta, tai, ki, ya. Tai, kyum, ta, ta, tai, ki, ya, ha. Tai, kyum, ta, ta, tai, ki, ya, ha. Tai, kyum, ta, ta, tai, ki, ya. Stop. Hope that you have understood the first 4 steps of Nattadavu. The remaining 4 steps are little different from these. So make sure that you watch the next video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care. You know what to do. Like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.